Hello, friends. Mrs. Thomas here, virtual teacher librarian, just coming at you with a quick tutorial on how to use the Early Years Resource Library website and how to make a copy of the resources that are listed here. So I'm going to start here on the main page. I'm going to click over here on subjects, and currently I am looking for some literacy resources for my early years students. I'm going to click on reading. And by clicking on reading, it's not going to take me to a separate page or a list of files. It's going to take me directly into a Google Drive folder. You will have view access to all of these. So if you wanted to watch this tutorial, you could. You could look at this fiction versus nonfiction lesson. You could have a look at these word attack strategies. I'm looking for sorting fiction into nonfiction for my students. So I'm going to double click on that, and it's going to open in view only mode. This allows me to preview the resource without actually taking it to use for my students quite yet. This is exactly what I was looking for. It's absolutely perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to the File button, and I'm going to click on Make a Copy. I'm going to click on Entire Presentation, and I'm going to name it. So you can name it the automatic copy of sorting fiction or nonfiction. You can name it whatever you want. You can place it in whatever folder you would like, and then press OK. It's going to open your copy now that you own in a new tab, and from there in your drive, you can then assign it to your students online. If you have any problems with this, please email me, christina.thomas@ddsb.ca, but that is how to make a copy from your new Early Years Resource Library website. Hope this is helpful. Have a great day. Bye for now.